Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about creating a new organizational unit up inside of our Active Directory users and computers. I'm currently logged on to my primary domain controller, DC1. I have Server Manager up and running, and now I'm going to go up to Tools, and from here I'm going to select Active Directory users and computers. Once you're up inside of Active Directory users and computers, you can examine the left window pane and you can see the default containers or folders or organizational units that have been created for you. But you don't have to live with this default view. You can create additional folders, containers, or organizational units so that you can better organize your Active Directory. To do this, we just have to go up to our top level, which is the name of our domain. This is our domain controller. If we right click and we select New, from the list we can select Organizational Unit. You might want to create additional organizational units to help ease the administrative burden of trying to control everything that goes on inside of your Active Directory. For instance, you may want to create organizational units for the different departments that you have in the organization, such as HR or payroll, manufacturing. Whatever those departments are, you can create an organizational unit for that particular department. You can then create sub-containers inside of this organizational unit for computers and even users. So in this example, I'm going to create an organizational unit called payroll. When I'm done, I can then find all the individuals that work in payroll and I can place them inside of the container. I can do the same thing with their computers if I so desire. As you'll see later on in the course, when we get into group policy, I might do this because these computers and these users that work in the payroll department are going to have a different type of security setting configuration for their computers and their user accounts. And I don't want those settings to affect everyone in the organization. So I'm going to isolate them into their own organizational unit. If you have a lot of administrators that are working inside of your Active Directory, then you may want to leave this box checked. This will prevent this container from being accidentally deleted by another administrator. Once you have your organizational unit named, just say OK. And now we have a container for payroll. And that is how you create a new organizational unit in your Active Directory for Server 2016, Server 2019, or even Server 2012.